Guys, on to commodities. Let's start with gold. We have held this position. Guys, I took this trade at the 1800 area, as you can see from my chart. We are almost hitting our immediate take profit one, but when I look at it on the weekly market analysis, I still anticipate this trade to come down all the way to retest the 1600 area as highlighted on the chart. So if you have the trade running, kindly hold on to it. If you don't have a trade running, any small opportunity of a retracement gives you an opportunity to be able to jump into the market and add an additional capital. Now, right now, our immediate on the short term, our blue box therefore settles on this area, any place between the 1710 to the 1740 area represents our blue box, and that should get us the trade to, just a minute guys, that should get us the trade at least to the 1600 area. So that is for gold. So gold, my bias is still on a sell. The same case with silver. Silver still is on a sell, but guys, you have to really be careful on this, because when you look at it on the monthly chart, it sits on an extremely critical point of resistance. So I have a bias of staying out of these, because if price breaks from these, it will significantly crash down to the 13.916 area. Otherwise, this is where my bloom box for long-term swinging for silver is currently at. I anticipate it to get there at some point in a couple of days or weeks, and then we can be able to build up further on that. Guys, the same thing with crude oil. Crude oil, any opportunity you get, guys, it's an opportunity to sell. And as you can see, we were anticipating this trade to retrace back to the 110 area. We are sitting on an extremely critical area, which represents a 38.20% retracement of this long-term move. So what are the scenarios? Scenario number one, you hold on to these, you stay away from this market, wait and see where the price can get into the 110 blue box area, which can help us drive this to the 61.8% retracement at 63.63 area. I still have a bias of that, but this is one critical trade for us to watch for the next couple of days. I'll keep on updating on this, but this is a fantastic with a risk reward of 1 to 20. That brings me to the end of the commodities trading analysis.